What's up, KK gang? It's your girl Ken Ken. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I got a new name for you guys. It's called the KK gang. So if you would like to join the KK gang, just subscribe down below. You know, KK gang. I'm so corny. But yeah, before I get started with this video, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to me. I am officially part of the 100 subscriber gang. You know, I officially have 100 subscribers. So yes, let's keep going, you know, get me to 200 subscribers and 300 and 400 and 500. Y'all, I'm so excited. I got 100 subscribers. You know how long it took me to get the subscribers? 100 subscribers. Like, I'm so excited. Like, oh my God. Let me start rambling on and let's get started with the video. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean my face. Wipe away all the excess oils. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and did my brows. If you would like to see how I did my brows, you know, the whole routine, because I'm not going to go through the whole thing in this tutorial, but if you would like to see the whole tutorial, then just let me know below in the comments, because I will definitely put out a video for you guys if you really want to know how I do my brows. So after I do my brows, I always go into my eyes. I always do my eyes before my foundation, because, you know, when you do your eyeshadow, the fallout will fall right on your face and it will mess up everything. So I prefer to do my shadow first. You don't have to do your shadow first if you want, but that's what I prefer. So what I'm gonna do first is prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna use a little bit on each eyelid. I'm gonna put a little bit of this concealer on both of my lids. This just helps bring the pigment out with the colors. So like I said before, I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Y'all, I'm in love with this palette. Like, I just got this even though it's been out for a while, but I just got it and I'm in love with it. Like, for the price of it, it was only $18. So that's a good price for a palette. Let me show you the guys the inside of it. 35 colors. Like, you can't beat that. 35 pigmented colors. Like, I did some swatches on it and they are very pigmented. For $18, oh my God, this light is too bright. Okay, there you go. You already know I'm going to be using my favorite color, which is yellow. I'm using this one right here. Or I'm using both of these. Matter of fact, all three I'm using. And then I'm going to be using the orange and red. So what I'm going to do first is go in with my crease with the orange. I'm just going to build it up. So, oh man, y'all can't see. But whatever, with the orange. Y'all know what your colors. So I'm just gonna blend it in my crease. Next, what I'm gonna do is go in with this red color that's on the palette, and I'm gonna go in the outer corner of my eye. Then we're gonna go in with yellow with this brush, and I'm gonna start out with the yellow. And just going back in with the blending brush and blending it all out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. So next is the eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner like I usually use. And yeah, so e.l.f. eyeliner, here I come. Alright, so I'm done the eyeliner, and that was, you know, pretty hard. But yeah. I actually did it the best, because usually I had to fix it. But I don't think I'm gonna go through and fix it this time. Like, it actually came out okay. All right, so before I do my foundation, I always color correct my face. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I don't think you can see that, but yeah, the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Nut Brown. So now it's time to go back in with the concealer, and I'm gonna conceal my face. Alright, so it's time to set the face. I'm gonna use the HD Flawless setting powder, and it's the banana powder. While I'm setting under my eyes, I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick. I'm just gonna do lightly on this side because I don't want it to be too dark. Then a little bit on the forehead. I'm gonna go in with my Shade and Light contour palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to use my flat brush and just do the contour with powder contour. Alright, now it's time to brush off the powder. I'm just gonna go in lightly. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is spray my face with this Lock-It Kat Von D setting spray because I did the powder and I like doing this before afterwards, so my face won't look as dry, you know what I mean. Alright, now it's time to go back in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Okay, and for the highlight, I'm going to be using this Liquid Glow by Anastasia. And I'm just going to be using this for my highlight. This is my favorite so far, y'all. I love this Liquid Glow. Then I go in after the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm just going to be using the bronze, the one I always use, and you can tell by it's better than anything in there, so. And with this look, I'm just gonna be doing a gloss. I'm not doing no lipstick today. I'm just gonna be doing a liquid gloss, so I'm using the same lip gloss I used earlier to moisturize my lips. Last but not least, setting spray. Finally done the look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like, this is my favorite look I've done so far. I love yellow, and it's like sunset, you know, yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red. But yeah, one more thing before I go. I officially have a name for you guys. KK Gang. Y'all so corny, but yeah. I think that's a name I should have for you guys, KK Gang. So if you would like that to be the name of the gang, then comment below. Or if you have more suggestions, let me know below. I'll be happy to, you know, go through all the names. So yeah, before I go, subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.